Hi everybody. So we have started with the relative clause. I hope that would be clear with you the types of relative clause, defining and non-defining. So here we are going to discuss about some major rules of relative clause. Let's see what are they. Rules of relative clauses. First, who, that refer to people. I hope you remember in defining clause we had discussed that who and that refer to human beings. They caught the man who, that spied, or who or that. If they caught the man who spied for China, they caught the man that spied for China. Both are correct. So who or that refer to people. Which and that refer to things. I lost the map which she gave me. I lost the map that she gave me. Right? But this happens only in the case of defining clause, because in non-defining we skip that. Whose refer to possession. To whom does the thing belong? She complained to the man whose dog bit her. उसने उस आदमी से शिकायत की जिसके डॉग ने उसे बाइट किया. She complained to the man whose dog. So the dog belongs to the man. So whose refer to show possession. In non-defining relative clause, that cannot replace who or which. Non-defining relative clause में हम which और who को that के साथ replace नहीं कर सकते. For example, Sachin Tendulkar, who is a famous cricketer, lives in India. We can't say Sachin Tendulkar that is a famous cricketer. No, because non-defining relative clause is different from defining relative clause. We'll discuss how. Taj Mahal, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world, is in Agra. So we can't say Taj Mahal that is. No, this is which is when we talk about non-defining relative clauses. So defining relative clauses versus non-defining relative clauses. What is the difference? Defining relative clauses, they add essential information, whereas non-defining relative clause adds additional information. डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉजेज आर नॉट सेट ऑफ बाय कॉमर्स. वहाँ पे कॉमर्स नहीं लगते, बट नॉन डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज में हम सेंटेंस के पार्ट्स को सेग्रीगेट करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉमर्स. These can begin with that. Relative defining relative clause जो है, it can begin with relative pronoun that, but non-defining relative clause cannot begin with the relative pronoun that. Defining relative clauses are known as restrictive relative clauses, but non-defining relative clauses are known as non-restrictive relative clauses. So these are only about the rules of relative clauses. I hope they would be clear. Thank you very much.